Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we discuss the topic of right circular cone. Now we done the previous classes of exercise 13.3 of the question number 1 up to 6. Now today we solve the question number 7 of a right circular cone. Now the question is, a joker's cap is in the form of right circular cone of base radius 7 and the height 24. Base radius 7, radius 7 centimeter and the height equal to 24 centimeter. First we find the slant height of a cap of joker. So the slant height here, slant height L equal to under root r square plus h square. L equal to under root radius 7 square plus 24 square and 49 plus 576. So 625 is equal to 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter is the slant height of a cone. Now find the curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL, and by 22 by 7 R7 L25. 550 centimeter square is the curved surface area. So find the area of the sheet required to make such 10 such caps. Area of sheet required for 10 such caps equal to 550 centimeter square into 10 is equal to 5500 centimeter square is the required area of 10 such caps. So due to the curved surface area and the slant height, in this question the radius and the height of cap are given. So first we find the slant height of a cap. The slant height of cap is 25 centimeter, and then find the curved surface area of cap or cone pi RL, that's equal to 550 centimeter square if the radius is 7 centimeter. So the required area of a required sheet for 10 such caps equal to 550. This is the chord surface area, and 10 caps. Now multiply to get the result of 5510 such caps. Now the question number 8. Next question, as the question number 8. Question number 8. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of road by using 50 hollow cone made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 centimeter and height 1 meter. Base diameter 40 centimeter and height radius 40/2 20 centimeter. 20/100 equal to 0.2 meter, and the height 1 meter. If the outer side of each cone is to be painted, and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? First we find the chord surface area. First we find the chord surface area of a cone. Chord surface area of a cone. Chord surface area of a cone equal to pi r/L. First we find the L. L is equal to under root r square plus h square, and r 0.2 whole square plus 1 square, and 0.04 plus 1 is equal to 1.04, and the value is given 1.02. 1.02 is the value of L. Centimeter, meter. 1.02 is the slant height of cone. This value is already given. Under root 1.04 is equal to 1.02, and pi equal to 3.14. This value is already given. So we put all the values of pi, r and l. Pi, r and L. So we multiply 0.628 into 1.02. 1.02. We multiply 628, 102 0.64056 meter square. This is the chord surface area of a cone. Now next is the 50 hollow cone. 50 hollow cone can be made. So the area of 50 hollow cone equal to 50 multiply 0.64056 equal to 32.02800 meter square, and the cost of painting equal to rupees 12 into 32.02800. 32.02800. So we multiplied that 32.028 into 12 384 rupees 384.336 is equal to rupees 384.34. Clear? Now this is the cost of painting, rupees 384.34 approx. This is the cost of the painting of all the 50 cones for dedicating the road. So next question. Next question, if the slant height of cone of cone equal to slant height of cone equal to 10 centimeter and radius is 7 centimeter. Radius is 7 centimeter. Show the chord surface area surface area equal to pi RL means 22/7 into 7 into 10. 7 cancel and 220 centimeter square is the chord surface area of a cone. Clear? Thank you.